Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a toolbox for your 1/64 scale truck, like this one here, but that one's a little bit too small, or this one here. I'll also show you guys how to make some custom tow mirrors. This is my RAM with custom rims, tow mirrors, toolbox, and custom grill. It's a really nice truck. But yeah, I'll put that right there. And so I'm going to get, so here's a stock RAM. So now what you'll need for this is, if I can find it, here, some balsa wood or basswood, whichever you like to use, about that thick. A razor blade and some super glue. And I have super glue accelerator to make it go faster. Alright, so what you want to do is just cut a nice chunk off. My hand's in the way. There we go. Yeah, that was not a very clean cut, but it should work. This isn't gonna stay in here. So what you're gonna do is measure the bed of the truck. I'm just gonna make a little score right up there. And just gonna cut it. Do this off camera. And again, I made a bad cut because I didn't take my time. Alright, so there you have that. Now what you're going to do is cut right here, a ways back. And then on the bottom, like that. So it turns into that. Your lip doesn't have to be that big, that's just kind of how big I made mine. I'm going to cut it a bit. And then you can do the same, but obviously a lot smaller for these sides. I did that way too big. Alright, I kind of screwed mine up, but this is terrible, but you get the idea. So then what you're going to do is, I have silver paint. And you're just going to paint the whole thing, obviously. And this one is going to go into the trash. But, yeah, I screwed this one up, but you get the idea. So you're just going to need something to paint it, like a paint pen or just some paint. So yeah, I screwed that one up, but this one turned out really good if you can see it. Now let's move on to how to make custom towing mirrors. So these ones, for this kind of towing mirror, what I did is these rams, they come with mirrors already, like that. So what I did is I just cut some small pieces of balsa wood and just glued it onto the end, and obviously it looks pretty good. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that right now. So what you're going to want to do is, again, just cut a nice little piece off. I need a new razor blade. I'm running out of razor. There we go. Okay, so now that you got that little chunk, what I like to do is just go on the top, cut it in half, like that. If it were to focus ever. Okay, well, just cut it in half. Make sure it's nice and even. Then you're going to take one of the halves, and it came out uneven, so instead of cutting it in half again, I'm just going to trim it so you've got like a nice little square. It's going to need to be smaller. Shave some off. Okay, whatever. This is good. So now that you've got this, you don't want to make them about that big. So actually, I do need to shave a little bit more of this off. So just cut them. Okay, no, it turned out bad. Get this crap out of the way. Okay, again, this is all one single shot, so these are not turning out good. If I have time to do them, instead of trying to cram it all into a video, I can get them done pretty good. Alright, so there's just a little piece, then you're just going to glue it on. And you might want to trim it a little bit if it's this size. I'll let you guys have a good look at the ones on my brown ram in a minute, so you can get an idea. But just gonna glue it on there, and then what I did on mine is I just colored it with Sharpie because I don't have a black paint pen yet. And on the back I painted it silver. But yeah, so they look pretty good. Alright, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you subscribe, like, and I appreciate comments. If you have any if you have any requests on videos of how I do any of my custom work, just comment and I'll try to do a video, and then I'll say who it's for. Follow me on Instagram. It's actually I'll write it down. Okay, it's hold on, bear with me. so this is all I found to write on. 1_64_scale_trucks. 164 scale trucks. That's my Instagram. You can be a lot more updated on my builds on Instagram. So, yeah, follow me, like some of my pictures, and I'll see you guys in the next video.